Hi guys, today we are making a part 2 of monkeys. Oh, and it already loaded. That was fast. Okay, now let's play. Well, let's see what this guy wants. Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna do this one. Blah 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 blah. Okay, now we're gonna play this game. We are totally gonna win. What? Where did my boss go? I guess I don't have a boss. Okay, let's see. Let's do a very strong one. No, the stronger the better. Okay, the more the better. Okay, now let's start. Okay, I can still not do any upgrades. Yeah, that's okay. Oh my gosh. That was a close one. Stop. Okay, baby. This is a bad start, guys. This is a very, 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 very bad start. This is a very bad start, guys. I am not doing this well. Okay, now we have money for one upgrade at least. Okay, these are doing pretty good. This one has 107. And this one has, I don't know which number that is. Okay. Do we have more monkeys unlocked? Okay, we still don't have more monkeys. That is bad. That is bad. But I have a huge plan idea. Now we're gonna do this one. Okay. Body bamboo down. Is that our boss? I think it is our boss. Okay. Go. Where are the balloons? I don't see the balloons anywhere. I think this is our boss. Oh yeah, it is our boss. I knew it. Why did it have a sword? A ginormous sword? Wait, let me do it slow. Already victory? Okay, I completed it. Maybe it was super duper easy mode? That's why? Blah 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 blah. Can you stop talking? Go. Okay, blah 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 blah. Me and my blah blah blah. Me and my blah blah blah. Our boss has already spawned for us? That doesn't seem right. Oh, it's in level 12, unfortunately. Wait, actually the sniper sounds good. Okay, I can do this one. Okay, now we'll go. What? 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 What in the world just happened? Why did it disappear? I do not like that power. I only like this one. Okay. Oh ho ho! When are we gonna do it quickly? When are we gonna do it quickly? Okay. Let's do it right here, just for extra slow speed. Okay, just for extra slow speed. So, okay. Now let's put another one down. Okay. Now we're only gonna do this one and this one. Okay. Bada boom, bada bum, boom, boom, bada boom, bada 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 boom, bada boom, bada bada bum, boom, bada bada. Oh no. We are in big danger. Oh, we were in big danger. Were in big danger. We were in big danger. We were in big danger. We were in big danger. Okay. Okay. Boom. That's good, just in case metal ones come. Okay. Now we must be good, right? Okay. We are pretty good here. Okay. Daddy, estoy haciendo mis videos. Dad. Do you like it? 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 Up in the bucket, and the bucket, the better good luck at the bucket. Ah, you're so good, guys. You are the best guys in the world. Let's wait for extra monies to pop up. We better wait for extra monies to pop up. I'm pretty good at this game, so I don't know about you guys if you are gonna win this game one day. Okay, we are definitely gonna win with all of this. Okay. Now let's do this one right here for extra protection. Okay. Look at him. He looks so cool with that cape. Oh, look how cool he is. Okay. Okay, let's see if this builder... Okay, he cannot do that. Okay, upgrade. He's doing some progress there. He killed 25. Okay. Look at him. He is definitely gonna kill them. What's that? He's gonna make some friends. Two hundred and one, 401, 201, 201, 201, 201, 201, 201, 201, 201, 201, 201. Body ba da ba daddy ba daddy ba body ga daddy body ga daddy Just look at it. It looks so valuable. Turn around, matey. There's no fate can do. Body, boom, body, bum, boom, bum, booty, bum, boom, body, bum, boom, down, body, bum, me, body, bum. Let's do this. Body, bum, boom, bum, eagle and a raptor. Okay, body bum boom, body bum bum, body da bird, body red, body guy oh, body red. I only have 12 money. Oh, so we better do this fast. In the face, speed, in the face, speed, in the face. Oh, how did I get defeated? Okay, Tom. I'm of course not gonna do it again because I lost. So now I'm gonna do the normal. Okay. Let's see what this dude wants. Easy play. 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 Okay. First of all, our boss. And he needs a partner, obviously. And an upgrade for his partner. Of course. And this one, obviously. And then we cannot do upgrades. Now it's ready, set, go. Go. Ready, set, 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 go. Oh. Ready, set, go. 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 We can do this, guys. I promise. I just promise you. I'm obviously gonna win. It's for the greater good. It's for the greater good. Buddy boom bum, lady buddy boom bum. He is definitely just dying. Kill him. Okay. Okay, he killed Tree. He killed Tree. That's good. He killed Tree so far. Okay, when he's purple, he can kill. When he's purple, he can kill buddies. Balloons. Those creatures, the balloons. Okay. I'm gonna set up a trap here. This is gonna be an awesome booby trap. That's gonna connect all the world. And it's gonna kill everything of the world. It's a genius plan of mine. I was just quiet for a second. Or maybe for 2 million seconds. 2 million seconds is more than 1 minute. I'm just funny. I'm just funny. I'm just funny. But fast is really fast, I think. No, it's fast. It passes very slowly because it's a super duper long number. I think we should definitely add this one. Buddy, buddy, bum, 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 buddy, bum, buddy, bum, 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 buddy, bum, buddy, bum, ah, buddy, bum, buddy, bum, bum, bum. We better go fluey. Da bo da be dum, buddy bum boom ba da ba da. Da be da boom ba ba da da. Da be da da boom ba be da dum. Da be dum body da be da. Body bum body gari ba. We better get money twice as fast. Body bum boom 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 beat. Boom boom money. So, body boom da 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 boom beat da beat da boom beat da beat da boom body da dum dum da 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 boom boom body da boom body da Bo yellow and go addy vando addy and go into every time of vando baby day boom body body boom bam. Wait, actually I'm gonna sell. That's much better. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot actually. Oh my god, you already did like over 100. Over. Double bubble body body daddy dara badara adia adia dum adia adia. I'm so proud of everybody. Buddy daddy. You cannot even see the balloon. You cannot even see the balloon. The photo of Kidding is actually even cooler than that. Let's see how many hits he did. Oh, okay, that's a lot. He did a lot too. Okay, so crazy. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Look at him. Look how crazy he is. He looks so cool with that Campbell hit. I can't believe it. They're just so fast. No, I'm using these. Those are for the good or great. Let's do this. Victory, 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 victory. Okay. Victory, victory, victory. Dive side to side, and I data side to side, and data by, and a data line by, and a data by the, and a data guide the, and a data right side, data side, data bro. Ah, that's how you can see me. Yay, now you can see me. I figured out a way how you can see me. Oh, wait, actually, that was an accident. So, now you can see me. Let's go. Do you like me? Do you like my face? Though I did it all along. Isn't it so cool how I figured it out by my own? I didn't even know you could do that. Wait, I watch videos like this. That's how the YouTubers do it. If they even do it like this way. Oh, look at it. Look at everything. It looks so cool and awesome. I'm moving it around the place. I'm moving it around the place. Okay, I'm so happy. Why am I so happy? We are still waiting for the 402, whatever it is. Okay. We're almost there. We're in 25 and something. And we're so far ahead. We can do this. Oh, yeah! Wait, I miss my friend Ethan. I really miss him. It doesn't matter. We're gonna win this round. It doesn't matter. I miss him. He's my Shayla. Bruh, just kidding. Oh my god. Why is it so fast? I better slow the speed down. I think we're gonna die in this round. It's okay, let's do super duper speed. We are definitely gonna win with full speed. Wait, oh, we still cannot do it. We are so close to doing it. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. I'm so excited to totally win. I'm so happy. That's garbage. Okay. Oh no. This is my greatest villain ever. You're definitely gonna die. Okay. And with the gator would be the gator every day. We lost. Bye guys. I'm so mad with you. You made me